Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this tutorial on Apache Commons Numbers. In today's fast-paced tech world, developers often face the challenge of performing complex mathematical operations within their Java applications. Apache Commons Numbers emerges as a powerful solution, providing a comprehensive set of utilities to simplify these tasks. Whether you're working on data analysis, financial modeling, or engineering simulations, this library can significantly enhance your productivity and code efficiency. So why should you choose Apache Commons Numbers over writing your own mathematical functions? The primary advantage lies in efficiency. Numbers leverages optimized algorithms to perform calculations faster and with less resource consumption than custom implementations. By integrating numbers into your projects, you can reduce the amount of boilerplate code needed for common operations like statistics or linear algebra, leading to cleaner, more maintainable code bases. Numbers offers a wide array of features to meet diverse mathematical needs. From statistical calculations like mean and standard deviation to algebraic utilities such as matrix operations and vector manipulations, the library provides comprehensive coverage. Additionally, it supports calculus functions, enabling developers to perform integration and differentiation directly within their Java applications. Understanding the architecture of Apache Commons Numbers is crucial for maximizing its potential. The library follows a modular design, allowing developers to include only the components they need. This modularity not only reduces the footprint, but also enhances maintainability. The codebase is heavily optimized, ensuring that operations are performed efficiently with minimal overhead. Furthermore, the architecture is designed to be extensible, enabling support for new mathematical domains as requirements evolve. To begin using Apache Commons Numbers, you'll first need to include it as a dependency in your Java project. This can typically be done via Maven or Gradle build tools. Once added, import the relevant classes and utilities into your codebase. With that setup complete, you're ready to leverage the powerful mathematical functions provided by Numbers. Apache Commons Numbers finds its application across various domains. In data analysis, it accelerates the computation of statistical metrics like mean and standard deviation. For financial modeling, it provides precise tools to evaluate financial instruments and assess risks. Engineers benefit from efficient numerical methods implemented in Numbers for their scientific simulations. To highlight the benefits of Apache Commons Numbers, let's consider a performance comparison between using Numbers and custom implementations. In various benchmarks, Numbers has demonstrated superior speed and efficiency, especially when dealing with large datasets or complex calculations. This efficiency translates to reduced resource consumption, making it an ideal choice for applications that handle substantial computational loads. The advantages of using Apache Commons Numbers are manifold. The availability of pre-built utilities significantly reduces the time spent on developing custom solutions, allowing developers to focus on their core application logic. These utilities are optimized for performance, ensuring that your applications run smoothly even under heavy computational demands. Additionally, while the community support may not be as extensive as other libraries, there is still a solid foundation of resources and documentation to help you get started. While Apache Commons Numbers offers numerous benefits, it's important to consider its limitations. The library is primarily tailored for the Java ecosystem, which might be a drawback if you're working in other languages or environments. Additionally, while the core features are accessible, advanced functionalities may require some time to learn and integrate effectively. Lastly, although documentation exists, it may not be as comprehensive as some developers might expect, necessitating additional research or community support. In conclusion, Apache Commons Numbers stands out as an invaluable tool for Java developers dealing with complex mathematical operations. By offering a rich set of pre-built utilities, it simplifies the development process, reduces boilerplate code, and enhances overall efficiency. Integrating numbers into your projects can lead to significant improvements in productivity and code maintainability. We hope this tutorial has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of Apache Commons Numbers. To take the next step, we encourage you to start integrating this powerful library into your Java projects. For further learning and detailed information, please refer to the official documentation. Additionally, engaging with developer communities can provide valuable insights and foster collaboration among users of Numbers. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.